Hello there, Taylor with the Multi Emperor report. Imelda is back up to tropical cyclone strength. If we turn this back off the satellite view. So, the center of the storm is currently predicted to pass basically somewhat in the middle of Maurice and Rodrigues, and there is Loch Reunion over there, and then predicted to basically brush by Maurice and Loch Reunion again. However, I believe that Imelda is predicted to become extra tropical around this point in here, and of course continuing the weekend as she goes. But right now, if you go to the storm tracker page, you can both see the satellite loops. So on this one, there's Loch Reunion, there's Maurice, Rodrigues. You can't even see on the satellite view, completely buried by the storm. Right now, there are cyclone warnings of class 2 in effect for both Maurice and Rodrigues. If you go to their meteorological service webpage, you can read the bulletins for both of the areas. And if you click on this link over here, you can get further information about what exactly is a class 2. So apparently gusts of 120 kilometers per hour. So that's a lot. And they've also got like what to do during a cyclone warning of class 2 and stuff such as that. Loch Reunion is in a pre-alert cyclonique status, or it's in cure, which is like in effect, I believe. And then right now they've got even advisories for Eule, which I believe is dangerous surf conditions, so raising of the ocean or whatnot. So that is what is happening with this storm right now. So Maurice, Rodrigues, the class 2 cyclone warnings, Loch Reunion in the pre-alert status as of now. And then over here, we've got this thing, very low chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 24 hours. In fact, if you turn on the satellite view, it just kind of looks like a disorganized bit of cloud. So it's currently very low and predicted by the Bureau of Meteorology to stay as a very low chance of tropical cyclone formation. So probably not going to see anything out of that storm. So those are the areas of interest. That's what's in effect right now, tropical cyclone-wise. US severe weather-wise today, we've got this area of slight risk, and there are 2 watches in effect. Actually, I misspoke. We've got this area of slight risk down there as well. Here's where the watches actually are, is Florida and Georgia. So for this part of the storm, tornado watches, one in effect till 6 p.m. EDT, the other in effect till 10 p.m. EDT. So if you look at the general maps, here is the wind probability map. So this would be the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. So you're 15 and you're 15 over there. The chance of 1 inch or larger hail today. So again, 2 different areas of 15%. And then the tornado threat is mostly in Florida, or the larger number is in Florida. So there's a 5% chance of a tornado and then just a 2% for this area. So if you're not familiar with what the numbers mean, what you do is that, for instance, for this 5% area, just pick any random point here in Florida, and then if you draw a 25-mile radius circle around that point, that means that there's a 5% chance of a tornado occurring somewhere within that 25-mile radius circle. So it's both a low chance, but like climatologically speaking, you know, how many days a year are you personally in a 5% chance? So it's both climatologically speaking, it's like high, but I don't know. So whatever you want to do with that information. So yes, those are the probability areas for today. Tomorrow we've got, it's the pessimist holiday. The pessimist anti-holiday. It's tax day. So if you're in this area, make sure you get your taxes done, tonight or whatnot, just in case the power goes out, or you can't get to the mail station or whatever to drop off the post and stuff like that. Here's the probability map for tomorrow. So there's just slight risk area and then the 5% stretching out around it. Day 3 also has a 15% chance, and it's apparently just hovering around this general area with the slight risks and such. And then day 4, again with this general area, that's the April 17th outlook, 30% chance of severe weather. So apparently this area of the country is in for potential severe weather in the next few days. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. Wicked Wix is not on that tab. There you go. Wicked Wix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. Hopefully you're staying safe out there.